Hey YouTubers, you got Cool Jax and Cool Dad here doing our first science experiment. Jackson got a present from his aunt called My First Mind-Blowing Science. There are 11 activities in it, and we're going to do one for you here today, okay? So check it out. Okay, so now we're going to unbox this. We decided first we're going to do something called dancing powders. You ready, Jackson?
Yeah.
All right. You want to take out your test tubes?
Yeah.
Jackson has really been waiting to do the test tubes.
Yeah.
There's your test tube holder.
And we need...
Jackson's sister Alyssa is off camera right now and does not want to be on camera, but she can be our assistant off camera.
Yeah.
All right, we've got our cups we're setting up.
Yeah, because we need to put the dancing powder in there.
That's right. So we're going to put that right there. And let's see what we need, Cool Jax.
There's a straw.
We don't need that quite yet. Just chill. All right, we need the citric acid. Let's find the citric acid, okay? Ooh, that's not it. Here we go.
One of them has to be it.
One of them has to be it. We found the citric acid. What else do we need, Cool Jax? Baking soda.
Baking soda?
Baking soda. Well, this is cross-linked polyacrylate. That's not it.
Yeah. That is...
Baking soda. What else do we need? 2 plastic cups. So we don't even need the test tubes. We've got 2 plastic cups. Let's just leave the test tubes right there.
Okay.
The medium plastic scoop. Now Jackson was laughing hysterically earlier because there are 2 plastic scoops included with this kit.
Yeah, because there's a little head one.
There's the medium plastic scoop.
And here's the little head.
The little-headed plastic scoop. Jackson was laughing hysterically. We don't need the little-headed plastic scoop, though. We're going to put that back in the bag. We're going to put all this, thank you, Alyssa, the off-camera helper. We're going to put all this back in, okay, to keep our work area clean. All right. Jackson, you want to hold that? What else did we need? Let's look. We need water. Look, we got water here in our Ohio State cup.
Yeah, because we...
OH?
Ohio. OH.
IO, that's right. Alyssa, OH? There we go. And it's Alexa. And we've got our plate or tray to catch any spills. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to pause the video for a second and bring the camera in closer as we get ready. Okay, we're back and we're set up now.
Yeah.
And as a heads up, if you hear any background noise, we've got a cat, a dog, and Alyssa off in the background doing their own thing. So.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're all set up. As you can see, we have our water, our baking soda, our citric acid, our 2 small cups, our plate, some scissors to open things with, and our, what's this, Jackson? The medium scoop. We also got ourselves
2 bags.
Couple of bags to put the unused parts of our chemicals, our powders in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh.
That's scared.
Okay.
What is this?
Jackson is very excited about this. Okay, so what do we do? Let's have a seat there, lab assistant. Set 1 cup, Jackson, on the plate. Okay, we now need 2 medium scoops of the citric acid. So I'm going to do this part. I'm going to open up the citric acid.
I think it's going to be purple.
Citric acid.
Is it going to be oil?
It's not oil. This is actually
powder.
in powder form.
Oh. But will it...
Okay, Jackson, you see?
Huh?
This is what it looks like.
You
see, this is what it looks like in the pouch.
Can I dump it out?
Alyssa's looking too. Okay.
Can I dump it out?
We're not dumping it out. We're going to do 2 medium scoops, okay? So, let's do it on camera so people can see. I was using the... There's 1 scoop. 2 scoops. Well, there's not much in there, as you can see.
Yeah, we only needed 2
Okay,
scoops.
so we don't end up spilling this everywhere. I'm going to fold up the citric acid and put it into a baggie so we don't.
Yeah.
So we can use it again.
Yeah.
Oh, Alyssa was going to help me, but I didn't realize it. So there we go. She can do the next one.
Yeah.
All right. Next step. We're going to do 2 medium scoops of the sodium bicarbonate. Do you know what that is?
No.
Sodium bicarbonate is baking soda.
That's another
Baking
next
soda
one.
can be used for tons of different things. You can use it to...
For 5 cents?
For what?
Science.
Well, science things, of course. You can use it for laundry. Hold on, Jackson. Let's do it on camera. Okay, here's our sodium bicarbonate. You can get this pretty cheap at any store. Okay, Jackson.
Well, I want to show to the
Okay.
kids watching.
Let's scoop. 2 medium scoops. 1 medium scoop. 2 medium scoops. All right.
Let's show it to the kids that
We
are
sure
watching.
will. Ooh. Nothing scary about that. I don't know why I made the ghost noise. Okay, I'm going to hand this to Alyssa off camera to put that fold it up and put it in. Thanks, Alyssa. All right, so Jackson, we're going to take this cup and right over top, you're going to swirl it around like this to mix up your ingredients. I don't think we need the scooper anymore.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. So pick up the cup, and just like this, you're going to swirl it around to mix up all the powders. Okay, don't want to spill it. Pay attention to what you're doing, okay? Because, see, we're getting a little bit of spillage here. Okay, let's take a look. See, it's all pretty well mixed up in that cup now.
Oh, that looks like sparkles.
All right, so that was step 3. Step 4, we're going to fill the second cup halfway up with water.
Okay, you
And
can
then
do that part.
you want me to do this part? All right, we're going to take our OH cup.
But I can pour it in.
Okay. Here we go. Well, made a little bit of a mess. Next video, I need to make sure I put I need to put a paper towel here with our stuff. Okay. Jackson, you're going to do the honors. The next one is, let's make sure. Okay. Hang on 1 second. We've got a doorbell. Okay. Sorry about that. Our doorbell rang. So, Jackson is going to now do the dancing liquid. You ready, Jackson?
Yeah.
We're going to pour that straight into there.
You can do that.
You don't want to do it? I knew you would. Ready? Pour.
Whoa, that's actually science.
That is science right there. Look at that bubble.
Whoa!
What do you think causes that? Let's take a look.
It's a volcano!
Sort of.
It's shooting.
What do we think would have happened had we used warm water, this says?
It would be warm.
Well, do you know what?
Powder.
This is just like using baking soda and vinegar.
Oh.
Have we ever seen that before? When we put baking soda and vinegar together?
No.
They make a lot of fizz too. Citric acid, this is what the book says. Citric acid is an acid and baking soda is a base. When they mix in water, they neutralize each other and form a gas called carbon dioxide. Do you remember what that was? CO2.
Like when they put baking soda and they fight. Like when you put those two together, they fight.
Right. So, the bubbling is caused by the carbon dioxide escaping from the liquid. Alright, so
Let's do another video.
that's all from this video. Jackson, Cool Jacks, you ready to say goodbye?
Yeah.
Alright.
Bye bye.
Give me your bye for now.